Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. So this vehicle has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's also air conditioning, DAB digital radio, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 14,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.